Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change VW Golf rear indicator bulb, easy method. Open the boot, remove the trim clip, and access the light cluster to replace the bulb. Start by using a flat tool to pry the reflector, then twist the bulb holder counterclockwise and swap the bulb with a matching replacement. Refit the holder, test the indicator, and secure trim pieces. Take your time and work safely. Before you begin, gather a flat pry tool, gloves, and the correct replacement bulb. Park on level ground and turn off ignition to avoid electrical issues. Work with a torch for visibility and keep small clips in a tray so they don't get lost. If unsure which bulb fits, check the owner's manual or bring the old bulb to a parts store for matching. Safety first, proceed calmly, stay aware. Quick recommendation: if this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like the video to support more car tips. Also, the bottle you see here is the Oala water bottle, perfect for staying hydrated while working on your car and fitting cup holders nicely. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one. Thanks for the support. Enjoy sipping while you work. Now let's get back to the video. Remove the lens carefully by prying the edge, working slowly to avoid breaking tabs. Once exposed, locate the bulb holder and rotate it counterclockwise to release it from the socket. Pull the old bulb straight out and inspect the socket for corrosion or damage before inserting the new bulb. Fit the new bulb, reinstall the holder, and test the indicator to confirm operation. Reassemble the trim and clean any fingerprints.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.